Let's build sandwiches and learn shapes and food together. Are you ready? What shape is this? It's a square. 正方形. Can you say square? Great job! Now let's build our square sandwich. Juicy tomato, 番茄, crunchy lettuce, 生菜, and melty cheese, 起司. And finally, we have square bread again. Yum! Square sandwich. What about this one? This shape is a triangle. 三角形. Can you say triangle? Awesome! Triangle bread. A slice of ham. 火腿. A slice of orange cheese. 橘色起司. Let's add a slice of yellow cheese. 黄色起司. And one more triangle bread on top. Wow, that's a cheesy sandwich. This shape is round. It's a circle. 圆形. Can you say circle? Nice. A round bun. Green lettuce. 绿色生菜. Red tomato. 红色番茄. Burger meat. 汉堡肉. Now the top bun. Wow, that looks delicious. I'm so hungry now. You did a great job today. What's your favorite shape?